Hello and welcome. Today I'll be showing you how my acceleration activated ejection charge system works. This is the container I've got it in. It's very simple. The diagram for it you can see here. And it's got very few parts, but it works on momentum pretty much. So this is literally all its parts. You have a little piece of flexible plastic here with a weight on it and a battery. And then you have a wire here just to control its on and off. So here you have a piece of plastic that when this thing accelerates upwards, it moves downwards as it goes up. And you have a wire there that is connected over to the battery. And then, so that's the black wire. And then the red wire goes over through to the ejection charge, which I have in there. And then the other terminal here, that where the circuit is closed, goes over to the arming wire. Then the other half of the arming wire then goes to the ejection charge. So effectively this just opens and closes the circuit, stop it from wasting the battery power. So unless these two wires are connected, the contact on this will do nothing. Now you can see a test of this here, and I will now show you the rest of its parts. So here I have some wire connectors, and you can see from the residue that I've tested it several times. It does work semi-reliably. This is just a prototype, so it does need a bit of adjustment. I think all it needs is this piece of plastic needs to be shortened, because it occasionally does touch the side of the wall and get stuck. But like I said, this is a prototype. This is the first version, so it will get fixed. And then inside I just have a parachute, which is just a milk bottle cap. I've got the parachute here. I was intending to test this in my potato gun so that it will take off and then open up the parachute, but this piece of plastic here that I used to hold these two tubes together is the size of the barrel, so I won't be able to do that. The way that the ejection charge would work, obviously as soon as this thing starts moving, it'll send electricity through the wire and ignite the charge. So in order to give some time delay, I would use a fuse that you can see here. That is made using steel wool. Usually you just take one of the larger strands. I have one here. It's a little larger than the rest of them, and that usually is thick enough that you can work with it and small enough that it'll burn as soon as electricity is passed through it, using the 9-volt battery. The way it works is you have the wires connected here. It ignites loose powder, which then lights a fuse that you can see here, and that then lights an ejection charge, which then pushes out the parachute. So overall it is rather simple. It's much cheaper. I pretty much paid nothing for this. So once I've finished with the prototyping, it should function well enough for what I'm doing. I hope this explanation was comprehensive enough. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Look, I made a boomstick.